The multi-function lever to the left of the steering column controls your wipers, washer, high beams, and turn signals. For intermittent wipers, rotate the end of the lever to select a delay interval. Rotate upward to decrease the delay time and downward to increase it. Turn past the intermittent selection to the first position for low-speed wipers or to the next position for high speed. Turn the lever to the missed position, then release for a single wiping cycle. The rain-sensing wipers can be activated through your touchscreen, and sensitivity can be adjusted with the wiper delay control. Position 1 is the least sensitive and position 4 is the most sensitive. To use the front washer, push and hold the multifunction lever inward for as long as washer spray is desired. Rotate the switch in the middle of the lever forward to activate the rear wiper. Turn it to the first position for intermittent wiping or to the second position for continuous. Turn it all the way forward to activate the wash spray for as long as the switch is held. You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn it to the first position for parking lights or the second position for headlights. In the auto position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on surrounding light levels. Push the headlight control switch in to activate the front fog lights. Push the switch a second time to turn them off. With the switch in the parking lights, headlights, or auto position, rotate the dimmer control upward to increase the brightness of the instrument panel lights. Rotate to the next position to brighten the odometer and radio controls. Rotate to the last position to turn on the interior lights. To switch to high beam headlights, push the multifunction lever away from you. Pull the lever back toward you to return to low beam headlights. To signal another driver with your headlights, lightly pull and hold the lever toward you. This flash to pass feature will activate the high beams until you release the lever. And for turn signals, move the lever down to signal a left turn and up to signal a right. The available power tilt telescoping control is located on the lower left side of the steering column. This feature allows you to tilt the steering column upward or downward and lengthen or shorten it to customize a driving position that is most comfortable for you. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.